Do you ever feel that slight wobble, that moment of hesitation before taking a step? Maybe you find yourself reaching for a wall, just in case. It's easy to blame it on age. To think this is a new normal, you just have to accept. But what if that's not the real story? What if that unsteadiness isn't just a number, but a signal? A signal from a specific system in your body that's simply gone dormant. A system you can reactivate right now. I'm going to show you how in just 3 minutes. You've been told a lie, a dangerous lie, that with age, your balance just disappears. That feeling unsteady is inevitable, a one-way ticket to fragility. But this is completely wrong. Your body isn't giving up, it's just waiting for the right signal to reactivate its stability systems. It's not about your age, it's about disuse. And the incredible truth is, you can reverse that decline starting today. It's not about fighting age, but retraining your body. Let's begin. So why does your balance fade? Most people think it's just a part of getting older, a permanent decline. They're wrong. Your balance isn't broken, it's just dormant. Asleep at the wheel. See, your stability relies on a team of 3 systems working in perfect sync. First, your eyes, telling your brain where the horizon is. Second, your inner ear, which acts like a sensitive gyroscope. And third, thousands of tiny sensors in your feet and joints, constantly reporting your body's position back to headquarters. But over time, if we don't challenge these systems, their communication gets sluggish, the phone lines between them get staticky, they stop working as a team. This is the true cause of instability. It's not just muscle weakness, it's a sensory disconnect. The great news? You can reboot this entire network. You can wake these systems up and force them to talk to each other again, restoring that sharp automatic stability you remember. What if you could reclaim your confidence and stability in just 3 minutes a day? No gym, no special equipment, just a simple sequence you can do right in your own kitchen. This isn't about brute strength, it's about waking up the powerful automatic balance system that's already wired into your brain. A system that may have just gotten a little dormant. In the next 3 exercises, we're going to reactivate those connections, sharpen your stability, and help you feel more secure on your feet. Let's begin. All right, let's begin with move number 1. We call this the foundation. Why do we start here? Because balance doesn't start in your head. It starts in your feet. Think about it. Your feet are your connection to the earth, packed with thousands of nerve endings designed to send constant information to your brain. This is your body's built-in GPS system. It's called proprioception. As we get older, that signal can get weak, fuzzy, or slow. That delay is what causes a stumble to turn into a fall. This first move wakes that system up. Find a sturdy kitchen worktop or the back of a solid chair, something you can trust. Go ahead and stand facing it. Now, place both hands flat on the worktop for support. You're not leaning on it, just connecting with it. Press your hands just slightly into the surface. This gives your brain an extra point of stability. Ready? We're going to keep your head and shoulders perfectly still. The only thing that moves is your hips. Like a pendulum on a clock, slowly shift your hips over to the right. Feel how your weight moves from being on both feet, all the way over to that one right foot. Notice the sensation. Feel the pressure change under your sole. Now slowly return to the starting position, back to the center, and now shift your hips to the other side, to the left. The biggest mistake people make here is leaning with their shoulders. Don't do that. Keep your upper body quiet and still. Isolate the movement in your hips. By doing this, you are forcing the small, stabilizing muscles in your ankles and hips to fire up. You're retraining them. Let's add breathing. Exhale as you shift to the side. Inhale as you return to center. This is more than just an exercise. You are reestablishing a powerful, high-speed connection between your feet and your brain. You're turning that fuzzy signal into a crystal clear one. All right, our second move is called the compass. And this one is the secret weapon for retraining your balance in the real world. Why? Because it targets your inner ear, your body's personal gyroscope. Most balance problems aren't just about weak legs. They start right between your ears. Your brain relies on 3 key inputs to keep you upright: your eyes, the nerves in your feet, and your vestibular system, that complex network in your inner ear. As we age, the signals between these systems can get a little fuzzy. A simple head turn while walking can suddenly feel disorienting. The compass fixes that. It forces your brain to recalibrate, strengthening the very reflex that keeps your vision stable and your body steady when you move your head. This isn't just an exercise, it's a neurological reset. Here's how you do it. Find a clear, open space. A hallway is perfect. Begin by walking forward at a comfortable pace. Now, as you take a step forward with one foot, turn your head and your gaze to the left. For your very next step, turn your head and your gaze to the right. That's the entire pattern. Continue walking forward, turning your head to the left for one step and then to the right for the next. The most common mistake is rushing. The goal isn't speed, it's precision. Feel how your brain has to work a little harder to keep you on a straight path. You might feel a slight wobble at first. That's good. That's your brain relearning and building stronger connections. You're not just walking, you're recalibrating your internal GPS, ensuring you stay stable when life requires you to look around. All right, our final move. Move 3, the integrator. This isn't just an exercise, it's a system diagnostic. It's designed to expose a hidden weakness that affects millions. You see, your brain has 3 tools for balance. Your eyes, giving you visual data, your inner ear, acting like a sensitive gyroscope, and a powerful, forgotten system of sensors in your muscles and joints. It's called proprioception, your body's internal GPS. Here's the problem. We become visually dominant. We cheat. We rely so much on our eyes that the other 2 systems get lazy, they go dormant. So we're going to force them back to work. First, stand up straight, right next to a sturdy object, a kitchen counter or the back of a solid chair. Have it close enough to touch instantly. Safety is everything. Now, let's build the stance. Place one foot directly in front of the other on the floor. Think of a tightrope. The toes of your back foot should just touch the heel of your front foot. This is the tandem stance. Before moving on, distribute your weight. Spread your weight evenly across both feet. Don't lean forward or back. You should already feel your ankle muscles waking up. Now, for the integrator part, take a calm, steady breath, and when you're ready, gently close your eyes. Instantly, the world changes. You will feel a sway, a wobble. Do not fight it. That wobble is the entire point. It's the conversation starting between your feet and your brain. Feel those tiny muscles in your ankles and feet firing nonstop? That is your proprioceptive system being forced to work, to calculate, to adjust. Keep your posture upright, chest proud. Breathe slowly. If it's too much, just open your eyes or lightly touch your support. Hold this for 20 seconds. If you want an even bigger challenge, you can perform this on a folded towel or a balance mat. But for most, the flat ground is the perfect place to reforge this critical connection. Switch feet, and let's do it again. You are literally rewiring your stability from the ground up. In just 3 minutes, you didn't just move, you rewired your body's core stability system. Think about it. When you shifted your weight side to side, you woke up the critical nerve endings in the soles of your feet. This is your foundation. Next, by turning your head as you walked, you recalibrated your inner ear, your personal gyroscope, teaching it to stay level even when you're in motion. Finally, by closing your eyes in that tandem stance, you forced your feet and inner ear to trust each other. You took away the visual crutch and strengthened the other 2 pillars of balance. You didn't just complete an exercise, you ran a full diagnostic and tune-up on your stability. But what if you feel a little wobbly or even dizzy? This is a fantastic question, and the answer might surprise you. That feeling is actually a sign that you're doing it right. Your brain is recalibrating. It's relearning the connection between your eyes, your inner ear, and the soles of your feet. If you feel unsteady, don't push through it. Simply slow down, reduce the movement, and always have a sturdy chair or countertop to hold on to. A little wobble isn't failure. It's feedback. It's your body adapting and getting stronger. You now have the exact 3-minute sequence. But just watching this video changes nothing. The difference between feeling unsteady and feeling unbreakable isn't in your body. It's in your mind. It's a decision. A mental switch you have to flip. This is your moment to commit. Not to me, but to yourself. To reclaiming your independence. To feeling confident on your own 2 feet again. I want you to make that commitment public. Go to the comments right now and type, "I flipped the switch." It's a declaration. Then make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. Because what I'm revealing next week about your morning routine could be the single most important key to your mobility. In just 3 minutes, you did more than a few exercises. You flipped a switch, you told your body it's time to be strong again. That fear of a simple misstep? It's starting to fade. replaced by a new feeling of control. This is your foundation, this is your independence, and you just took it back.